Well, here in New York in just the last couple of hours, Luigi Mangione made his first court appearance since December. His defense attorney says her client's right to a fair trial is being infringed on.
He is being publicly treated as guilty and as having the presumption of guilt as opposed to the presumption of innocence, which is what he is entitled to.
That's his defense attorney there. Now, that, though, is Mangione walking out of court earlier, flanked by officers on both sides, wearing a bulletproof vest. Mangione is facing 11 counts in the state of New York, including first-degree murder and terror charges for killing United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson in front of a New York City hotel last year. It's a case that drew national attention and sparked a broader conversation about the American healthcare industry. Now, Mangione has pleaded not guilty to the charges, but he's also facing federal charges in Thompson's killing. Prosecutors have said that case, as well as the New York case, will move forward on parallel tracks. The state charges are supposed to go to trial first, but the date for that is still TBD. Now, in a statement on a website for his legal defense, Mangione says, quote, "I am overwhelmed by and grateful for the support that he has gotten," which he says transcends, quote, "political, racial, and even class divisions." Stephen Romo is outside court in New York. So, Stephen, a pretty quick court proceeding today. What else did prosecutors and the defense go through today?
Yeah, Brian, it was quick, which was not a surprise. This was a status conference with the different parties basically giving an update on where things stand in the case. Now, Mangione's attorney, Karen Agnifilo, did spend quite a bit of time talking about what she has not received in the case. She acknowledged that the discovery process has started, but said she still does not have any of the police paperwork in this case. She expressed some frustration there. And she also pointed out that Mangione is being prosecuted for the same event in 3 different areas. We have the Pennsylvania area where he was picked up by police 5 days after that shooting happened. Of course, the murder charges in New York and the federal prosecution that is also happening. Agnifilo also saying that she's upset that prosecutors apparently shared evidence with an actor playing Luigi for a sort of docudrama series before giving that evidence to the defense team. Here's more of what she had to say.
Hearing an actor play Luigi reading from a journal that they say is Luigi's, and we have yet to receive it from the prosecution. And so it's outrageous that they have time to go and prejudice Mr. Mangione's ability to receive a fair trial and go out and make these statements, but not give this to us.
Now, prosecutors pointed out that they have shared quite a bit of evidence with the defense team, including 800 gigabytes of video surveillance footage from this. They say they're working on sharing more. Brian?
Now, Stephen, over $525,000 have been raised for Mangione's legal defense fund. He's amassed quite a lot of support. Have you seen some of that in person down there by the courthouse?
Yeah, not surprised about that $500,000 whenever you see the number of people who were out here today. I was trying to keep a running count, but I lost track. There were so many people, some of them showing their support for Luigi, showing the Saint Luigi figure like you would see on some of these candles that people have brought. A lot of green Luigi hats like Mario and Luigi, showing their support for Luigi, signs saying free Luigi. So much of this support from him, and supporters also trying to get the message out about what they say is an unfair healthcare system. Here's some of what they said.
I want to take advantage of this moment with all this publicity around this case. The healthcare system in the United States is awful. It is killing American people, and I need to be here to fight for the citizens.
And this is just the very beginning of what is going to likely be years of these hearings for these 3 separate cases that Mangione is facing for this murder case involving Brian Thompson. Brian?
Stephen Romo, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.